In this video we will talk about home remedies to retain teeth and lip color for intense smokers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Home remedies to retain teeth and lip color for intense smokers. Have years of smoking made your teeth yellow and darkened the color of your lips? Here are some home remedies that can help you retain teeth and lip color. Whiter teeth. These home remedies will lighten the stains caused by smoking with the use of natural products. All the ingredients used are inexpensive and will save you many expensive trips to the dentist. Strawberries. Take 3 to 6 ripe strawberries, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar and a cup of water. Puree the strawberries and make a paste. Apply to your teeth overnight for a week and dazzle everybody with your bright new smile. Sugarless gum. Munch on a piece of sugarless gum after you've had your coffee and cigarette. Doing so will produce more saliva to swish away the darkening liquids before they have a chance to stain your teeth. Water. Sip on water or rinse your mouth every time you eat or drink a stain-producing food or beverage and after you light up. This will help cleanse your teeth and prevent stains from accumulating. Bicarbonate of soda. Brush your teeth with bicarbonate of soda and then brush with your normal toothpaste. Repeat this routine every 15 days. Don't rush when you brush. Concentrate on brushing your teeth slowly with circular movements using a soft bristled toothbrush. Take your time and ensure that you get to those hard-to-reach areas. Lighter lips. Smokers have darker lips than normal due to nicotine stains. Here are some methods which you can use to lighten your lips a shade. Vaseline. Apply Vaseline to your lips regularly. This keeps lips moisturized and helps prevent staining of your lips. Lemon and glycerin. Scrubbing your lips gently with lemon daily should help remove the discoloration, but this may be harsh on your lips, so make sure you apply glycerin to your lips first. Leave the lemon and glycerin on for at least 10 minutes before washing off. You could also do the same at night, and sleep with lemon on your lips. Almond oil. Apply almond oil with a dab of cream on your lips. This will ensure that your lips are moisturized and the layer of oil will help prevent buildup of nicotine stains on your lips. You can also apply almond oil or cream of milk daily on the lips. The most important remedy to reduce staining on your lips and teeth is to quit smoking. The efficiency of these home remedies is dramatically increased if you do not add to the nicotine staining every day. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.